All right, good morning again. We are on to number 11, the penultimate problem, which is the second from last. Okay, number 11. All right, let's read it. What ordered pair represents the solution to this systems of linear equation? Okay, ah, let's examine the equations. X plus 2y equals to 6. That's the first equation. All right, that's first. All right, and the second equation is 7x plus 2y equals to -6. Now, if you look at them further, you notice that 2y and 2y are exactly the same. So we can do the elimination, even though doing substitution shouldn't be a problem because one of the variable is alone on the first equation. I meant to say not alone, but one of the variable has a coefficient of 1, which is x. Okay, so then we examine further. The signs are the same; they are positive and positive. So what we can do is just subtract, right? We'll subtract. It's going to be gone, eliminated, and then we say, all right, listen to this. All right, x minus 7x. All right, so x minus 7x gives you -6x. All right, and you say equals, okay, and 6, see that, minus -6. All right, let me write it down. 6 minus -6. Well, guess what? The two negative signs before the second 6 becomes positive. So 6 plus 6, okay, equals to 12. Okay, don't forget that. So you have 12 on the right hand side. So now you divide both sides by -6. You divide both sides by -6. All right, so x is now alone. It's -2. All right, very quick, right? Solving systems of equation by elimination. Are we done? Well, let's take a look. See if we can answer the question already by just finding x equals to -2. All right? Yeah, we should be able to just choose, if we are confident, which we are, okay, that what we did was correct. There's only one option or choice from the 4 choices that says the value of x equals to -2, which is C. So there you go. The answer is C. But just for the heck of it, for giggles, okay, let's find the value of y. What will be the value of y? Okay, let's see if it will give us 4. You see this? 4. Okay. Well, I would use the second equation, because the second equation, y, well, actually the first equation was wrong because I thought the first equation has a negative term, but it's positive. So I'm going to bring down, all right, I'm going to copy down the first equation, okay. So x is -2, okay, plus 2y, we're looking for y, equals to 6. See that? So now we will add 2 to both sides, okay, and that will cancel. You have 2y on the left hand side equals to 8. 6 plus 2, divide both sides by 2, y equals to 4. So we have our solution, okay, is -2, 4, and sure enough, okay, the choice that we chose earlier, the answer C, is correct. All right, take care, bye.